Good morning. So, it's Monday, new start, new week. Just done a fence repair, so we've come here lunchtime. But Friday, bit of a shit show for me. I was literally a few hours, went quoting, sorting tax out because it was last date, tax year and all that, whatever. So, I left Tom. Sleepers out, stoning up, He's coming Saturday, honestly. And it's send him on holiday more, man. Shit up. It's all stoned up, let me show you. So stoned up. All this was boggy crap, but that's come up good 4 inch. But quite a line is here. I'm not putting new posts in anyway. Right up there, height at bottom at sleeper. So yeah, I think he's brought 3 or 4 ton in, brought it up. He's even took the step area out for me. Brilliant, because that was just boggy as well. Don't know if he's had an argument with his lass or what, but he has cracked on. I'm well happy. This is jet washed apparently. Helicopter. Police helicopter round Leeds, you know how we do. He's jet washed down here, light jet wash, he said. He just needs to go over it and get a bit of cement off here or there, but yeah, it's looking good. So today, we're just going to bang these sleepers on. 1, 2, 3 sleepers, stone up, sort this step out, I think. So we're not too sure on steps whether there is 2 or 3. The sleepers are 700mm wide, but we don't know the height. We do know the height. It's 500mm by 700mm. I reckon 3 steps. Or step in, the 3rd step will step onto the path, sort of thing. But yeah, more important news. Anybody see my new scar? What about Leeds scar? See that? I didn't. Running around, got home to watch Leeds game. Kids were moaning a bit, were buffering, whatever it does. So got to half time, made a brew. We've got like a right deep, thick, comfy sofa sort of thing. Sat down, put a cushion behind my head and just went, fell asleep. Missed start second half. Kids were moaning to each other apparently. It wasn't working, whatever, TV wasn't working. So they left me asleep, turned telly on, went upstairs, did their own thing. I woke up, went to loo. Just after full time, didn't even check the result out, just after full time. Says, have you seen score, Dad? No, what? 7-0. I was like, shut up, no way. And lads rang me, what? Literally, I think this is the 2nd game this season I haven't been to, but I was getting bored a bit. It's like 90, 95, 98 quid every time I go. It's just me and 2 boys that go. So I was like, I don't fancy Cardiff. I don't like Hull. We always win Hull 2 or 3-0, and it's crap. They're just defensive. It's boring. It's just easy goals. I'd rather go sit in bar. Well, we do. We've got a bar all the time. 35 minutes we're in bar. And Cardiff's another one. Boring. So I'm like, no. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to save money. I'm not going to go. And then that happens. So yeah, I'm at Millwall Saturday, I think. 12:30 kickoff. Starting at 10:30. Our lads are meeting at 10:30. So yeah, should be good. But it's alright going up. But I forgot the investment when we go up this time. And then also, I like Farker, I think he's good. But I think he's a championship manager. When he were in Norwich, it was just up and down all the time. But here, we've got investment. So, will it show? Will it be good? Because the second anybody doubts him, I think they just need to get rid of him. I think that's what they need to do. Don't leave it too long. Don't get Jesse Marsh in. Piece of crap he was. But I'll tell you something about Jesse Marsh. He took over and we were something like 19th. When he got sacked, we were 17th, and he thinks he's done better for our club. That's what he reckons. He reckons he One, why were I getting sacked? He was just crap. I hated him. I hated him. But less than me wittering on. All Leeds that way. All Leeds. See you in a bit. Just a frank trainer.
Walking on pitch in wet.
What is it?
That's inside, isn't it?
No, tomorrow. Crawshaw, you know.
Really?
Yeah. That crackle field.
Horrible.
Yeah, 2G. Oh, I think it's a 2G. Yeah, I know Crawshaw. Yeah.
In energy, it's horrible. Use bottom over. What level across it? Johnny Tennant. Johnny Tennant.
You do the top, yeah.
When?
First and second of April.
March?
April.
April, yeah. Why not? You know. Might be fun, yeah. That's fun.
What's this for? Portugal. Can you do it? Mate, grab it, I'll grab it.
No, it's alright. What, boots?
Sure. Lift it up. Kicking, it's gone on it. Craza. Where is it? There's a town. You know when you see Instagram pic, it's like that's fucking nice. It's got a beach because the west coast is all rock.
Yeah.
And it's where all it's that Santorini and stuff like that. Where all you there's no beach. It's just all buildings.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's there, but yeah, there's a place a bit further down to Rome, and it's got a beach, it's got an old town, it's got a modern town. It looks really nice, so. And there's stuff about as well. Put a foot on that side. Is that down? That's what it is. Yeah, that's there. Yeah, you can get it too. So yeah, it was fancy. If you wanted to do a tour though, but you'll find this place at the well nice, we'll go somewhere else. Crap. Yeah.
I just kind of want to see all best places and stuff.
Yeah. It's like a place we went to Spain just outside Marbella. They were apartments, but better than our house, mate. Honestly, they were brand new, ridiculous, man.
Yeah.
Shared pool, but the pool were like it wasn't bright blue like that level. It was like a nice natural looking water, you know.
Yeah.
It was so nice, and you two could go on holiday there.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It was nice, nice place as well. You just need a car, we're a bit out of town, but yeah, we got a tip.
Can I give it back to you? Can't give it back to you.
Just what we're doing it. There's just that sleeper. This is what we do. We just walk around looking for tape measures. Like I said in my last episode. Spend all day looking for 3 tape measures. That's what these flaps are for. Never put them in them. That should be 2-1. I'm going to go with that. 2-1. Yeah, it's fun, though. Okay, people are shocked, like, such a massive country. Now we know what we did. Yeah. Over there as well. But it's big, ski and stuff. Mix it. Good down there now. Two at all. That was one here. Two here.
You know, guys.
Got a lot on there.
Yeah, can I come off here and go like Scarborough Beach? And go,
Got amusements, mate. You wanna come over here? Lots of comic coins.
yeah. You know, take it easy and sailing.
Right, so that was a bit of a bitting and batting day today. We obviously we had a fence repair this morning. Got here at 11:30, 12ish, whatever. Bit of stoning up. Put 4 sleepers on to form the level for the stone for the astroturf. So, but even that pushes it on. We earned us money elsewhere. We still come here. You still got to keep going. Just still got to keep going. But that pushed us on, and it's taken shape once again. So yeah. So I will see you tomorrow.